can go. It's turning into a braid. And yep, you guessed it. I'm securing it with a rubber band. So, alright, that's good. And I'm going to corner this section also. I'm cornering everything up, as you can see. Not sure how my hands are going, but they're going. Like, not even like telling them what to do, they're just braiding, they're just cornering. Because your hands, your body knows what to do. You don't even have to tell it what to do, it just knows. Your body knows so much, it holds so much memory. It's amazing what the human body can do. Alright. Okay, and I'm securing it with a rubber band. Whew, my hands are tight and my shoulders. Gotta work it out, work it out. Okay, so for this section I have 4. The basket weave in the back, the corner over here, the corner over here, and the corner over there. So it's 4 over here. So what I'm going to do it, I'm going to secure it with the rubber band for now. Temporarily secure all of that together, out of the way. So now we can work on the other side. Alright, let me just turn around, reposition myself. Turn my chair. Alright. Okay, so this is my, what side is this? It's my right side. So this, just like the left side, I'm going to part the hair again. Alright, I'm going to take this front section and put it out of the way. Tuck it away with my clip clasp claw thingamajiggy. Cool. Got some loose hair right there. Look at that. Lock got some loose hair. You see that? It's a lot of hair too. Alright, so what I'll do, I'll just twist it back into it. So I'm gonna use my spray bottle and just wet the lock. Not too damp. I'm just gonna wrap it up and down the lock. It's halfway, and then I'm gonna come back up. Then come back down until there's no ends left. No. And rub it together. Alright, that should do it. I ain't worried about it. Alright, so this is the back. I'm gonna do the same. Alright, this can go up here. I'm gonna do the same that I did on the right side. Just gonna ask it, leave it going up. Alright, so I'm grabbing one and crossing it over. And then crossing it over. So as I go up the left, I'm crossing it over. I hope y'all can see. Just take it as I go.